Hi guys, so today we bought a Lucky Charms box and we got some Pokemon cards from the commercial and we are going to open it on this unboxing video. So let's get started, but first we are going to look at the box in the back of the box and see what we can find that might be in here. So let's go. That's my elf right there. I don't know if you can see. Oh yeah, you can. So that's her right here. This is what I'm talking about. All this, and it even has a word search. Okay. My fingers are getting in the way. So this is the back of the box right here. So you can see these. Might be this one. All these. I think these are like kind of ultra rares. So that's why they're blank. I think these are the ones you could get. These are all the cards. So let's open it. It's pretty hard to open. Yeah, I'm not going to get on this. Okay. See what I mean? Mom, I might need you to help me open this. My tummy's rumbling. Yeah, I need you to help me. Oh my gosh. I'll give you these. But we got a couple Pokemon cards. So you see that? Oh, got a couple. So first we got that little thing. What is this? This. At the back. Let's get out our Pokemon cards. Look! We got Pikachu! We got Pikachu. We got Pikachu. We got Pikachu. Look. We got Pikachu. And the little rainbow. That's cool. It only has 6. Well, I don't really know Pokemon cards, so I'm just guessing this is health and power. So it's only 60. And this way. I don't know what this is, but if you can read that, you can comment down below what it is. Don't know if you can see it too well. Well, it doesn't matter the names, but it's spelled G-A-S-T-L-Y. And this is our little Pokemon card right here. Has 50 something. I can't see that. Yeah, 50 health and stuff. And so yeah, that's one. And look, we got this one on the back of the box. So these are the ones we could get like right here. So we got Pikachu out of those. Then here's another set right down here. My mom is, never mind, I'll tell you later. Oh, and then we got these. Oh, sorry. These things. Okay. So let's put the box right here. So these are our cards on right here. And here's the front of our Lucky Charms box. As always, Lucky Charms. So, my mom is unpacking for our trip. See?
Hello.
Just getting water right now. So, I hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe and don't forget to click that bell. Bye.